This tutorial covers the fundamentals of making authentic Sicilian-style pistachio gelato. Unlike northern milk-based gelato, this recipe uses water as its base, resulting in a bold-flavored, lighter dessert that's easier to digest. Be sure to watch the full video. I walk you through the entire process, explain how Sicilian-style gelato differs from northern Italian gelato, and share tips throughout to help you achieve a smooth, flavorful result. So what makes Sicilian gelato unique? It's typically made with water and a bit of cream, unlike the milk and cream base of northern Italian gelato. This lower fat, cleaner base is perfect for letting bold, single origin ingredients like Bronte pistachios or Sicilian lemons shine. And it's also easier to digest, which suits the hot climate of the South. In this recipe, we're using a high-quality, 100% pistachio paste, commonly used in gelaterias worldwide. You can find the link to purchase the same paste in the video description. Want to make your own? We've included a recipe for that too in the full blog post and recipe link below. This is an easy step-by-step recipe. Prep takes under 10 minutes if you use the one bowl method I feature in my videos and blog. The base recipe is adapted from my book, The Art of Making Gelato, and at the end of the video, I'll share tips for using other ingredients to enhance your results. Let's get started. Bold in flavor, low in butterfat, and easy to make, this authentic recipe will not disappoint any pistachio lover lucky enough to get a cup. Now, since we're making a true Sicilian-style gelato at home, we don't have the power of a commercial machine to really reduce ice crystallization. So here are a few tips. Eat it fresh, like a sorbet. Limit the hardening time in your home freezer to 1.5 hours max. Check out our serving guide, linked in the description, if it sits longer. Remember, gelato is best served at the right temperature. For texture, I'm using tapioca starch here, which is widely available in grocery stores. But if you want to take it up another level, substitute the tapioca starch with a 1/2 teaspoon of locust bean gum and 15 grams of dextrose. Dextrose softens the texture, and the locust bean gum improves water absorption. This is very important with a water-based gelato. Thanks for watching. Buon appetito! Have a flavor request? Drop a comment or email tips@morganmorano.com. Check out our channel for more videos on making gelato, sorbet, and other Italian-style treats, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and recipes. Looking for more? Visit our blog and gelato FAQ section at fortheloveofgelato.com for full recipes and answers to all of your gelato questions, or explore the world of gelato with industry resources and guides at thegelatoexpert.com.
For the love of gelato!